slow. Here, go with your
Merry
sister.
Christmas.
Go
Merry
with Tommy.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That
What is that?
guinea pig.
You
Did
too?
Santa bring you a guinea pig?
Yay! Daddy,
What, buddy?
What?
the cookie.
I know, the cookie's gone. And the carrots.
And Mom, you said you ate all by yourself. You didn't even show us. Mommy!
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Tommy's, sweetheart.
That one's Tommy's. You have yours over there, boo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at yours. Tommy, what is in this cage?
He's inside the little house.
There's no way I get to open this.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a way you can open it. Mommy!
Yeah. Do you want me to open it?
Okay, you can.
Do you want to hold it?